A setback or a disappointment can be particularly devastating for sensitive people. They react to difficult situations by withdrawing, shutting down, or falling prey to a chain of negative thoughts. Due to the loss of everything they'd hoped for, they no longer have the drive to move forward. However, we all know that challenges and failures are a part of life, and the only place where there are no problems are at the gates of heaven. When we were younger, we may have made a huge deal about every little wound we got, but as adults, you would rarely find yourself obsessing over the cut you got from the razor this morning or the knife while chopping veggies. We are all well settled with the idea that a small wound is no big deal and will heal itself even before we realize. Setbacks at most occasions are minor incidences of life that will pass just like any other to become memories. Though often I have realized that more than the effect of the setback, it is the time duration spent coping up with the stress involved that becomes a challenge. Keeping busy during this time is of crucial importance to maintain a balanced state of mind. But please don't decide to inundate yourself with activities you don't enjoy. Perhaps taking some time out to relax, rejuvenate, and indulge in an activity you love would be a good plan. Last but not the least, sometimes you have to allow yourself time to acknowledge your feelings of disappointment. It is important to just let it out, and it's okay to feel broken and helpless for a moment. Just remember to consciously reduce the impact of the setback on yourself by focusing more on moving ahead. Because success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The truth is that your performance does not define your caliber. Whoever has the right opportunities, the zeal to learn and work hard can achieve several things in this life. But how do you handle failure? How do you handle a setback? How do you handle a major fall in your life? That is what defines your true worth, your substance, and your mettle. So do not allow yourself to be bogged down by the challenges of today. For some challenges in life are here to stay. Instead, create a vision for a beautiful tomorrow. And this vision will give you the courage to carry on through this day. The truth is that we can get through anything today as long as tomorrow is compelling enough.